in silence, before the machines arrive.
One purpose.
Moisture at 12.4%. This batch will become noodles.
Plus, the factory is already waiting.
400 tons stored. Transport departs at first light.
Clean at depth. This Swiss wheat earned its place.
A signature. 400 tons released.
Every row mapped. Every gram counted.
Everything it has.
26 tons per truck. 15 trucks depart today.
The harvest doesn't stop. Neither does the factory.
Every batch stored. Every batch traceable.
The field rests. The factory never does.
Confirmed. The factory opens its gates at 6.
400 tons in motion. The factory waits.
15 trucks. 390 tons. 200 kilometers to go. ETA, 2 hours, 14 minutes. Not a minute late.
The wheat is monitored every 30 seconds in transit.
15 bays cleared. The factory is ready.
Every gram legal, every truck cleared.
There it is, 40 kilometers ahead.
Authorized vehicles only. The facility begins here.
Batch 2024-1147.
Authorized.
Welcome to the facility. 90 seconds. 15 trucks. Perfect formation.
Locked. Bay 1 is live.
Sampled at source. Sampled on arrival. Nothing assumed.
45 seconds. Protein confirmed. Unloading begins.
26 tons. 18 minutes. Not a single kernel wasted. Silo 3 accepts the harvest. 400 tons secured. Delivered. Signed. The journey ends. The process begins.
80,000 square meters. Running every hour of every day.
Every shift begins with a scan. Every worker accounted for.
400 meters of corridor. Every door leads to a different world.
Every layer of PPE protects the product and the people.
20 lines. One purpose. Running since 1994. 48 screens. 2 controllers. Nothing happens without their knowledge.
Transcription. Without steam, there are no noodles. The boilers never stop.
Municipal water in. Pharmaceutical water out. No compromise.
480 tons of flour. Enough for 40 million servings in reserve.
12 stages. One continuous flow. Nothing stops between them.
2,847 days. Safety isn't a policy here, it's identity.
2.4 million packs. The day shift accepts the target.
From above, the scale becomes real. From inside, it becomes remarkable.
Facility breathes. And now, the wheat begins its transformation. 8 tons per hour. The cleaning line awakens.
First pass. Straw, debris, oversized material gone. 340 grams of stone. Removed before it could ever cause harm.
Zero tolerance. Every fragment of metal pulled from the stream. 17 layers. One standard. Perfection. 200 images per second. Nothing imperfect passes through.
8 parameters. 1 operator. Complete control.
Clean. Uniform. Approved. The wheat is ready for water.
18 hours of rest. The wheat absorbs, relaxes, prepares.
15.5%.
Exact. The mills are authorized to run.
6 mills. The kernel opens for the first time. 0.3 millimeters. The difference between flour and dust. 3 streams. 1 kernel. Nothing wasted. From golden wheat to pure white flour, the transformation has begun.
26 degrees, 280 kilograms. The dough begins.
1.8% solution. The secret behind the color and the bite. 96 liters of water. 4.8 liters of solution. Locked by the recipe.
15 minutes, 280 kilograms of dough. Born from flour and precision.
40 centimeters of stretch. This dough is ready.
12 millimeters. The first compression. The sheet has begun.
5 passes, 12 millimeters to 1.8. Thinner than 2 stacked coins.
200 meters. 0 defects. The sheet earns its passage forward.
40 blades. 1 sheet. 40 strands born in the same instant.
22 waves per 10 centimeters. The shape you recognize. Engineered precisely.
1 cut every 2.1 seconds. A block born every heartbeat of the machine.
100 degrees. 2 minutes 15 seconds. Raw dough becomes cooked noodle.
96 degrees at the core. The starch is set. The noodle holds its shape.
28% surface moisture. Below this, the fryer accepts the block.
150 degrees, 90 seconds. Moisture from 28% to 3%. This is the moment that creates instant noodles.
Golden, rigid, hollow inside. The instant noodle has found its final form. 45 seconds of drainage. Every excess drop recovered. Nothing wasted.
Filtered, restored, returned.
The oil works in a closed loop. At 80 degrees in, 35 degrees out. 3 minutes of controlled cooling. 6 cameras, 6 angles. 0.3% rejected. The standard holds. 28 ingredients. 1 flavor. The recipe, known only to the system.
600 sachets per minute, 4.5 grams each, sealed against moisture and time.
4.51 grams average. The flavor is measured to the 1/10 of a gram.
2 sachets. 2 lines. Converging at the moment of assembly.
Block. Powder. Oil.
3 components become one product. 500 meters of film. Every centimeter printed. Every centimeter checked.
400 packs per minute. Each one sealed in under 1.5 seconds.
240,000 packs. 0 metal detections. The record continues.
Every pack revealed from inside. Nothing hidden. Nothing assumed.
94.7% efficiency. The benchmark is 85. This facility exceeds it every shift.
8 arms. 400 placements per minute. Precision measured in fractions of millimeters.
1,000 calculations per second, per arm. The intelligence behind the movement. 4.2 kilometers of conveyor. 1 continuous flow from wheat to warehouse.
12 AGVs. 0 drivers. 0 accidents. 6 years of perfect navigation.
120 cartons. 1,440 packs. 1 pallet. Every 4 minutes.
45 seconds. 11 wraps. The pallet is sealed for any journey.
1 barcode. Every answer. From this pallet back to that field.
Aiden, the system knows where everyone sits.
12 meters high. 2,400 pallets. No humans required inside.
5.2 hours warning.
The AI sees what human eyes cannot.
18 minutes. 0 downtime. The prediction saved the production.
2.3 million training images. 99.98% accuracy. The AI never blinks.
2.8 megawatts consumed. 520 kilowatts recovered. Every joule accounted for.
Every system connected. Every system accountable. 2.4 million packs and counting.
300 DPI. 500 packs per minute. Every date printed. Every date verified.
Every digit read. Every date confirmed. 0 errors leave this line.
1 flat blank. 1.2 seconds. 1 perfect carton ready for filling.
30 packs. 2 layers. 3.6 seconds per carton. Relentless precision. 180 newtons of bond strength. The seal outlasts the carton.
2.85 kilograms. 30 packs. 1 barcode connecting it to everything.
0 weight rejections. 4,800 cartons. Every pack accounted for. 28 seconds to load. Silent departure. The AGV knows exactly where to go.
3,600 packs per pallet. Built to the millimeter. Ready for any journey.
Every 30 minutes. 5 packs sacrificed. To protect the millions that pass. 18,000 samples. 24 months of answers. Waiting if ever needed.
96.1% efficiency. 18 minutes ahead. The line rewards its operators.
0.3 millimeters. Her eye caught what the system almost missed.
36 hours from field to pallet. The journey is nearly complete. $4.2 million of instruments. One purpose, the truth about every batch.
14 tests. 6 hours. Not one pack ships until every result is green.
2.7% moisture. Below 3%. The shelf life is confirmed.
19.2% oil. Under 20%. The fryer held its specification.
12.8% protein. The wheat kept its promise from field to finished product.
6 microbial tests. 48 hours of incubation. The batch waits for science.
6 pathogens tested. 6 times, not detected. The product is microbiologically safe.
5 humans. 10 minutes. The final judge is always taste.
8.16 out of 10. The product earns its place on the shelf.
22 minutes of chemistry. Every label claim confirmed by science.
14 from 14. Authorization entered. The batch is released.
847 pallets released. 18 trucks waiting. The final journey begins.
Tested in a lab. Prepared like a consumer. The gap between both must be 0.
23 pages. 47 data points. Every answer preserved for 36 months.
The lab has spoken. The warehouse answers. The journey ends where the road begins. 312 pallets. 8 crane. 2 hours. The warehouse empties with purpose. Every pallet scanned. Every pallet routed. Nothing moves without the system's knowledge.
18 degrees confirmed. Document signed. Bay 3 is live.
50 millimeters of clearance. The difference between a safe load and a damaged one.
443,520 packs, 18 trucks, 6 bays, 1 synchronized operation.
17 pallets, 15,300 packs, 14,535 kilograms. Every number confirmed.
340 kilometers. Delivery window, 06 o'clock. The route is set. The clock is running.
36 hours ago, this was wheat. Now it's 15,300 packs, heading to 15,300 meals. And 18 trucks, 6 destinations, 275,400 packs in motion. The facility exhales.
2,412,000 packs. Target exceeded. The day shift finishes what it promised. Day shift complete. Night shift begins. The facility has no memory of stopping.
This is how modern factories produce instant noodles.
1,926,000 packs. 1 batch, 1 field, 1 facility, infinite meals.
Seal 447821. The last pack of the day leaves the facility.
From a single field of wheat to 2.4 million packs. This is modern manufacturing. This is blueprint made.